Hey guys, it's Emma here, and I wanted to show you what I have packed because when I showed you guys that I was going on a 10-night holiday with a carry-on bag, only you were like, what? No way! Do you have any clothes? Yes, I do. So, I'm going to take out the bag that has my underwear in it because I don't want to show that to the internet. So here's my Christmas presents. Here is one for my brother who's over there looking at me, and one for my mummy and one for my daddy. And we'll put them, we don't have a Christmas tree because we're in a cabin, so I'll put them there. That is as good a place as any. So I really don't bring a lot of toiletries. I have a bag of makeup and deodorant, and then a bag of pills, just in case I get sick, because I'm not up for being sick on a cruise ship, so I have things to treat every medical problem that I could possibly get. I have a belt because my trousers might fall down. I have a lot of iPhone charging wires because if my phone died, I would die too. I have a scarf for accessorizing up some outfits with some scarves. We are cruising on MSC at the moment, which means that there are formal nights, which is a shame because it means I have to pack formal dresses. They're all screwed up, but the creases will come out. I will put them in the bathroom and have a shower and let the air do its thing. I have this spotty one, which I wore to my Christmas party recently. You might have seen it. So that takes up a lot of room in my suitcase, but it should be worth it, I think. I have a pair of shoes for formal night. They'll go with anything. They're black, so simple and easy and comfortable, and from Clarks. For another formal night, I have a red dress because you can't go wrong with a red dress. So I've got 2 formal night dresses. I think there's only 2 formal nights on this 7-night cruise, but if not, then I would just wear something else. I have some Christmas jumpers in here. I have this one that has a fox on it because feeling foxy and red. And I wore this jumper, I think, on another Christmas cruise that we did to the Mediterranean. So this is my Christmas Mediterranean Barcelona-y jumper. So, and I have this Christmas jumper which has a pig on it. I think it's, what's the pig called from Marks and Spencer's, the sweets? Do you remember? What is this pig's name? From M&S you get the little sweets that are called pigs. Is he called Percy? This is Percy. Percy the pig. It's as right as any other option. So because I'm packing really light, I have only packed very necessary items, and I think this is necessary. A bag that says time to get ship-faced. I have the unlimited beverage package on this one, so perfect. I have a pair of shorts because I'm a wishful thinker, even though it's going to be about 10 degrees the whole time we're here, so, you know, the miracles may happen, so I have bought 1 pair of shorts. I also have a bikini that does not match, but matching isn't really too important to me. I have a couple of adapter plugs. I bought 1 European one and 1 American one. I think there's 2 European plugs in here and 1 American one, so that'll do. I've got 7 days left on this holiday and I have 9 t-shirts. So for packing light, I don't think that's too bad. More than 1 t-shirt a day in case I get ketchup down my front. I have this giant alarm clock by this brand whose name I cannot pronounce. They have sent me this alarm clock to try because I think the worst part of staying in an inside cabin is the complete darkness when you wake up and you don't know if it's like 2 AM or 2 PM or if you've overslept and it's time to get off the ship. You have no idea. So this is an alarm clock that mimics the sunrise. You can set how long you want the sunrise to be, how bright the sun is, what birds you want tweeting to wake you up. You can plug in your phone, you can use the radio, you can use whatever you want. So I'll be doing a review of that, but that seems pretty cool. That has taken up the majority of my suitcase, to be quite honest with you. So let's put that there. I also have 2 skirts because I might want to wear a skirt sometime, and some tights to go with the skirts because it's kind of cold. Make that 10 t-shirts. I forgot this one, and another pair of jeans because I live in jeans. So I've got a little shrug jumpery thing for formal night. That's black, so that will go with both my dresses. And then just a normal cardigan for everyday wear. So I think I've got quite a lot of stuff, considering I've packed it all in a carry-on suitcase. And I don't have any magic tricks. I literally just roll things up and put things inside shoes. So I don't know what you guys are packing that I'm not packing. I'm not bringing hair straighteners and stuff, I guess. I have a hairbrush and a toothbrush, but that's about it. I don't know what I'm missing, so let me know in the comments what you packed that I haven't packed, because I feel like I have quite a lot of clothes. I have 4 jumpers, 10 t-shirts, jeans, shorts, skirts, 2 formal night dresses, Christmas presents, and a lamp. So what more could you possibly need? And a coat. I don't know. I forgot to mention the best item of clothing that I own, which are these elf pajamas. Does somebody need a hug? So there we have it. There is everything that I've packed for a 10-night holiday in my cabin bag. And I don't think that's too bad. I think I've got quite a lot of stuff. I've got more than enough clothes and formal dresses and jumpers and alarm clocks and Christmas presents. So I'm quite happy with that. I don't know what else I needed to pack. You guys seem to bring massive suitcases and packets of sweets which rustle really loudly when Max eats them, which is fine, but only if he gives me one. Ow, I hit my